Good morning, students. How are you? All are doing well? Are you obeying your parents? Okay, very good. Okay, students, today we are going to study chapter 5, and then the topic is food we eat. Food we eat. Okay, so students, we are going to study about food we eat, that is page number 39. Okay, lesson 5. Okay, students, now look at here. Before we go to we'll start our lesson, let's see what are the things we are going to learn from this lesson. Okay, the first things we have to, what are the things we are going to learn from this lesson, that one we are going to see. Okay, look at here, about food and its important. Okay, first things we are going to learn from this lesson is about food and its important. Okay, then the second one is food from plants and animals. The second things we are going to learn from this lesson is food from plants and animals. And the third one we are going to learn from this lesson is raw and cooked food. Okay, so what are the raw food and which are the cooked food? Okay, so that's we are going to learn from this lesson. And then the fourth one we are going to learn meals we eat. Okay, the fourth one we are going to learn meals. It is mistake, it is written meal. Okay, it should be meals we eat. Okay, and then the fifth one we are going to learn healthy eating habits. So these 5 things we are going to learn in our from this lesson. Okay, students, now let's go to our lesson. Okay, about food. Okay, we eat different kinds of food. Eating the right kinds of food makes us strong and energetic. Some people eat rice, bread, chapati, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Some people eat eggs, fish and meat. Okay, students, so we all eat different kinds of food. Okay, so everyone has a different types of food. Okay, somebody like chapati, somebody like to have rice, somebody like to eat meat, somebody like to. Okay, so everyone has a different types of food. Okay, especially for us human being, we have a different types of food. And okay, so the eating the right kinds of food makes us strong and healthy. Okay, dear students, you have to keep it in mind, all the food cannot make us strong and healthy. Okay, so we have to eat the right food. Okay, so and the right amount, not only right food, also we have to eat in the right amount. If we don't eat in the right food or right amount, then it won't be benefited to our body. Okay, students, so we have to eat the right kinds of food, or right food we have to eat. Okay, now some people eat rice, bread, chapati, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Okay, there are some people who eat only eat rice, bread, chapati, pulses, fruits and vegetables. So they don't eat any flesh of other animal, or they don't eat egg, fish and meat. Okay, so they are called vegetarian. Okay, they are called vegetarian, who only eat these food. Okay, these food items like rice, bread, chapati, pulses, fruits and vegetable. Okay, and there is another group people who eat eggs, fish and meat along with all that above list. Okay, that chapati, bread. Okay, so who eat all these, they are called non-vegetarians. Okay, students, so we have a different types of food. Okay, and we all eat different kinds of food to make our body strong and energetic. Okay, now let's go to the next one. We need food to live and grow. It gives us energy to work and play. It keeps us healthy and fit. Yes, students, it might be a question. Okay, why do we eat food? Then you have to give the answer. We need food to live and grow. It gives us energy to work and play. It keeps us healthy and fit. Okay, students, so we are living and we are growing because of food. If we don't eat food, then we will not grow, or we cannot live. If we don't eat food, we will not get energy to do our homework or to play in a garden or park. Okay, so we have to eat food. Not only that, also food help us to healthy and fit. It keeps us healthy and fit. If we don't eat all this food, okay, so we will not become healthy or fit. So students, we have to eat as much as we can, but don't eat over. Okay students, okay. So that's why we need food. If the question comes why we need food, why we need to eat food, then you have to give answer. We need food to live and grow. It gives us energy to work and play. It keeps us healthy and fit. Okay, so now let's go to the next one. Babies drinks milk only. The young one need food for growth and energy like milk, pulses, egg, meat, fish, rice, wheat, butter, etc. And adult need food for energy like rice, wheat, bread, cheese, potato, butter, etc. Okay students, in a different age there are different types of food. If we see the baby, if you have a baby in your home, then you have might seen they want to eat food. Okay, so they drink only the milk because they can't digest the other food. Okay, so that's why they only drink milk. Okay, but like you and you have young one, you have to take food to get energy and grow. Okay, you have to grow. So if you want to grow, then you have to eat food. Okay, like pulses, milk, egg, fish, rice. Okay, these are the things that you have to eat. And adults need food for energy like rice, wheat. Okay, so adult, you know that all we have a grandpa, grandma, they also need food. Okay, why they need food? Because they also need energy to walk and work. Okay, so what they have to do, they all have to eat. Okay, so different age we have a different types of food. Okay students, both young one and adult eat fresh fruit and vegetables. Okay, old people should take boiled food that is easily digested. They should also take milk and milk products, as these are rich source of calcium and importance to keep their bones healthy and strong. Similarly, patients are suggested to have soup, liquid diet, khichdi and dahi. Okay students, so now for babies there is a milk. Okay, but like you and for us or like our grandpa, grandma, they all need fresh food. Okay, fresh food, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. Okay, so everything fresh we need. We don't have to eat unfresh. Okay, so we have to eat fresh fruits and vegetable. Now one thing we have to keep very strongly, that old people should take boiled food. Okay, because when the people become old age, their digesting system become weak. Okay, so that's why they can't able to, they are not able to digest the food. Okay, so they can't digest that very spicy food. Okay, so that's why it is better for them to have a boiled food. Okay, and they should also take milk and milk product. Okay, now the old people, if the questions comes why the old people need to take that milk and milk products food, then answer should be because it has milk and milk product has a source of calcium. Okay, it has a rich source. Okay, so to make our bone strong, we need calcium. Okay, so calcium we get from the milk and milk product, and you all know when the people become old, then their bones started become weak. They can't walk. Okay, so to make their bones strong, what they have to do? They have to take milk and milk products. Okay students, so this might come in a question, so you have to keep it in mind. Okay, bones, why they need a milk and milk product? Because milk and milk products make strong to the bones. Okay, and also the patients means those are ill, they are suggested to take a soup, liquid diet like a khichdi and also dahi. Okay, so those are patients, those are weak, those are admitted into the hospital or maybe are in a home, they are patient, they are taking a regular medicine, so it is good for them to have a soup, liquid diet, khichdi and dahi. Okay students, so this is about the food. So why the food is important and what how the foods are, which types of food we have to eat. We have to eat the fresh food. Okay, and for the adults there is a different types of food, for the babies there is the different types of food. So this we have studied about the food. Okay dear students, now let's go for the next one, food from plants and animals. The next one is food from plants and animals. Okay, we get our food from plants and animals. Dear students, if the question comes, where do we get our food? Then answer should be, we get our food from plants and animals. Okay, there are main two sources of our food are plants and animals. Now look at this picture. Okay, you can see here, this is plant and this is animals. Okay, we have main two source of food, they are plants and animal. Now look at here, so here are we see the rice, wheat, and then the fruits, then the pulses. These are the these food items we get from the plants. Okay, now let's see the next one, and this here milk, chicken, fish, and the honey. Okay, and then the eggs, these all things we get from the animals. These are also food, but these foods comes from animals. Okay students, so we have to keep it in mind, we have main two source of food, and that are plants and animals. Okay, from plants we get rice, wheat, pulses, fruits and vegetable, and from the animals we get milk, egg, chicken, and then the fish and honey. Okay student, so I hope you are enjoying this class. Okay, so let's student, now it's time for homework. Okay, now it's a time for homework. Look at here, what is you have homework. Okay students, you have homework page number 39. Okay, so page number 39 is your homework. You see, if you open your page number 39, you may get pictures. Okay, pictures of some food items are given below. Circle the food items that you would like to eat. Now you have to circle which food that you like. Okay, that is your homework. And the next one is answer the following question. The first question is, why do we eat food? Students, already I have explained about this one. Okay, and number two, why an old people need milk and milk products. Well, students, I have already spoke to you, already I have taught you that why the old people need milk and milk product. Okay, so students, I think you have understood and answer. Write your answer in your copy. Okay, and then you have to send me in my personal number. Okay, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.